So let me bring it to a close here and talk to you about this idea of vulnerability. That if you bring this love out into the world, if you are a conduit for love, everyone, you are not vulnerable. You are powerful. That's what we talked about in one of our opening videos. And if you are blocked, you are weak. So again, I keep saying that most people wear their sleeves on their heart and not their hearts on their sleeve because they're worried, what if someone doesn't like me? I'll just give like this much of my love, but I don't want to get my heart stepped on. But no, give it fully. Because here it is. This person is, I want to give you a word, hungry. This person is full. This person is full. And what we've done in our cultural belief system with this idea of vulnerability and love is that we have made this the normal. Being hungry is the normal because if you are blocked off and closed up to others, you can't get hurt. But in the process, you're hungry because everybody wants love. We talked about it in a couple of videos previous. It's our legacy, it's our gift, it's what we all want to leave in the world, but we're blocked on how to get there. This person is full. And if I'm full and I've still got food on my plate and I give it to you, I'm not vulnerable. And that's our job, is to shift the paradigm and to be, I am full, and so I can share with you. But we make this the normal, and we've made the pathology, being hungry, normal. Stay blocked off, stay protected when it comes to loving each other. And that's our cultural belief system, and it's going to switch in Blissology, and it's going to switch in this course. And we will learn how to be conduits for love, but I need to give you this roadmap.